Thank you all and welcome back to JOJO'S farm. We thank you all. Those of you who hasn't subscribed to our channel, please do us a favor and subscribe to our channel. And those return viewers, thank you so much. This is a short video concerning our new method of feed that we're trying to use it as a starter for the piglets, and so far so good. And I want to give a little tip about it. We're using the wheat bran, which is 50 kilos, and we're using concentrate. You know, the concentrate, it's either you use the concentrate or you use the fish brine. So we're using concentrate for now. We're gonna introduce the fish brine later, and for that we use 15 kilos because our concentrate is only 5%, so we're using 15. You can use whatever depending on what concentrate that you are using, you know. And also we are using how you call it, the corn brine or the corn meal, whichever you call it. We are using that 25%. And then we're using soya bean as well, also 23%. So remember that 50, 25 and 23. And then we're using salt, which is about 5 grams of salt for the mixture. So this is what we're using now. Before we were using the rice meal, the rice brine, which we're no more using because of the shortage. If you are in Ghana, you know that there's been shortage of the how you call it, the corn meal, and then the rice brand as well. So we're trying to use this to supplement for the pigs, and we're gonna steady give it some time to see how best it's gonna work out. Guys, it has not been easy with the feed. The cost of feed is going high. And using this method is not any easier or costless. It's still expensive, but what can you do? You have to try as much as you can to supplement for the piglets. Right now the piglets are the most important because we have about 24 piglets now that we have to make sure that we feed them very well. We give them what they need to grow for the market. Yes, and like we said, we are not ready to sell now. We are looking forward to sell maybe next year, early next year or December. We don't know yet. We haven't decided yet, but that is what we're looking now. So we have to make sure that we try all other feeds to see which will work well. We have the soya bean as well, which we're gonna try as much as we can to mix them up and then give it to them. Guys, it's been a good journey, little by little. We are not a year yet, but we are seeing a lot of improvement. We are seeing productivity. So far, so good. There are a little bit of maintenance here and there. But apart from that, trust me, everything is moving on successfully. Guys, watch out and let's all see what we're gonna end up, whether these feeds are gonna work out successfully or not. This is our last sow that we are expecting next month. This sow right here, he hasn't shown any sign of, following. So we believe that the crossing did not work out. So we have to think about what to do next. But what can you do? These are all part of the farming business. But like I said, our hopes are high and we're looking forward for dramatic change, improvement, and success. What can we do? Thank you all for watching our channel, and let's look out for a successful one. Thank you, and watch out for our next video. Bye and have a blessed week. Thank you all once again. Bye.